Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I hope everyone is fine today. Good evening, everybody. Demi, hello. Let somebody say they can hear me. If you can hear me, let me know. Can you all hear me? Who do we have here? Yes. Let me know if you can hear me, please. Let me know if you can hear me, first of all. Oh, loud and clear. Thank you. 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 Right. So who is here? We got Demi here. Brilliant. We got Marcia. Marcia, how are you? Hope you're doing great. How's life treating everybody? I hope all is good. Yes. Oh, thank you. As the sky. No shadow, right? No shadow. It's as clear as the sky. Thank you for that. Excellent. Okay, so today we, just like last week, we're not gonna waste time. We're gonna go into action straight away. And anyone that join us will meet us in the middle. So it's good to be early. So thank you for all of you that you were early today. You come on time. You see, we're starting right on cue. 8:30. Sir, you're gonna get everything tonight. Marcia, great to see you. Great to see you. Okay, Ebe, good to see you too. Excellent. All right. So we're gonna go for it straight away. Okay. So we are talking about our special strategy, crypto. How you doing, crypto? What's up? I'm all right. So we're talking about our magic of inside bar trading strategy. So some of you are here last week. So if you are here for the first time, just say new. Just type new so that we know who we need to carry along. But if we are all here last week, we just jump straight into it and review what happened during the last 7 days. Okay, so if you are new, please shout, give a shout. And by the way, I have already seen 2 likes, so please keep giving that likes button. Keep clicking the likes. Okay, I want to see more likes. Deepak, hello Deepak. Good morning. So it's morning over there. Yeah, I know you're coming from afar. Yes. Okay, so Marcia is new. All right, good. Welcome, Marcia. Who else is new? Okay, Shangiwa. Okay, Shanigwa is new as well. Okay, Chikudi is new. All right, so we have 3 new people here. Who else? Anybody else? We have Chinwe is new. So we have 4 new people. Okay, and we know more people will join. All right. Because of that, we're going okay from India. Good stuff. So we're gonna quickly do a brief quick show of the strategy. I'm not going to go into too much of theory because we are going to go into practical. So I'm just going to show you quickly what it is. All right. So we're going to talk of the inside bar. How do we determine the direction of the trend? How do we determine strength of a trend? What is the inside bar straight setup? How do you place your stop loss on inside bar? And we're looking at the summary. Okay, so this is the agenda for today. All right, so everybody know when you open your chart you get candlestick like this, right? So this is called the mother bar, and this is called the inside bar. The reason is this smaller bar here is formed completely inside this bigger one. It's completely inside this bigger bar. That is why we call it the inside bar. So simple. Is that not simple enough? So remember that it contains the wicks as well. Both the top and the bottom wick must be inside this one. Yeah, that is why we call it inside bar. So if the wick is taller, it's no longer inside bar, or the lower wick is shorter, is taller here, or it's longer here, it's no longer an inside. Inside is when everything is contained inside the old one. Simple, right? Okay. So what is the inside? Is inside by itself is indecision. So when you have an uptrend or a downtrend and it gets to a point where it goes into a consolidation. Now that's when inside bars are formed. Okay, so inside bar is no decision. They're not going up, neither are they coming down. So they are in between. So that's where that is what is called the inside bar. Okay, because we don't know who is in control. Is it the bears or the bulls who are in control of this market? Okay, so it tells us the market could go either way. Okay, so the two more common inside bar are market when the market is about to turn. When we want to get an upturn or downturn in the market, you get an inside bar. Okay, so try to see where the inside bar is formed. Okay, also when the market is stalled, as I just said, the market is stalled, the market is not going anywhere, you get also an inside bar. But remember, you want to find an inside bar when the trend is strong. Okay, so you are looking for inside bar when the trend is very strong. Hence, our number one condition is the trend. So we want to find when the condition is strong, when the trend is strong. So we are going to use the indicator called simple moving average to tell us when we have a strong trend. So we have a simple moving average, which is a SMA 10. That's what we are going to use, SMA 10. Okay, so Abdrashid is new here. Welcome back. Welcome, new guy. Good to see you. All right. So secondly, we are going to determine the strength of that trend. How strong is the trend? We are using an indicator called Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band will tell you how strong the trend is. If the price is touching the upper band and is hooked between the upper and the middle band, you say the trend is very strong. That is strong uptrend. Similarly, if the price is hooked between the lower band and the middle band, you say you are having a strong downtrend. So we have put two things together, the MA to tell us the direction, whether it's up or down. Then Bollinger Band is going to tell us how strong it is. Is it weak? So when it is not hugging the top or the bottom lines and it's just in between, you say the trend is weak trend, or you call it a range. Okay, so that's the work of Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band tells us the range. Okay, now you can see when the price is having a strong trend, the Bollinger Band will expand. You can see it will expand. You see the gap between the lower Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Band will increase. But when there is no trend, the band contrasts, gets smaller. You see it is a smaller range. The gap between the top and the bottom Bollinger Band becomes very small. At this point in time, we say we don't have any trend. Here we say we have a trend. Okay, so that is how we want to use Bollinger Band to find the trend. However, we want to use a better indicator. It's still Bollinger Band, but it's called Bollinger Band width. We're going to use it to replace this Bollinger Band, because all we want to find about this this information we need is when price is trending strongly. And as we can see, this Bollinger Band width will tell us when the color is red, it is when the price is trending very strongly, either uptrend or downtrend. The color will go red. But when it is trending, it's not trending, it's in a range, the color can either be green or yellow. It means it's in a range, and we are not interested in that. We are only interested in when it is red, because we want to catch when the indicator is red, and we want to catch when the trend is strong. Okay. All right. So now let's find the setup. Okay. So how do we find the setup? So two things. One, you need to find an inside bar. That's an inside bar. This is an inside bar. That is an inside bar. That is an inside bar. That is also another one. So first thing is that you need to find the inside bar. So once you find the inside bar, you want to make sure if it's above the moving average, you are only going to go long. You are going to buy when it's above moving average. Okay. And the third thing you need to check is what is the color of the bandwidth. What is the color of the Bollinger Bandwidth? If the color is yellow or green, you are not interested. If the color is red, then you are interested. So if you look at this, here the color is yellow or green, not interested. Here the color is red, so you are interested. Over there as well, the color is red, you are interested. Here the color is red, and so on and so forth. So you are only looking at when the color is red, that is, the trend is very strong, and also you are looking at when it is above moving average to buy. So to sell is the opposite. You must find, first of all, you must find inside bar that is below moving average and the Bollinger Bandwidth is red. Okay, if you have question, especially the new guys, just pop it in. Okay, so take for example, this is a trendy market. You can see this is a downtrend and that's uptrend. Okay, so here we haven't put a Bollinger Bandwidth yet. You can see inside bar there, those colored is showing us that those are the inside bar where it happens, where it occurs, inside bar. So it occurs above the moving average. So here you only buy here, buy here. You only sell here, sell here, sell here. You don't buy below the moving average nor sell above the moving average. However, you are still going to put the third indicator, which is the Bollinger Bandwidth. Okay, so let's talk about buy stop. Let's talk about how to place your trade and how to place your stop loss. Okay, so first thing is, in the first slide, I'll show you what is a mother bar. Okay, so this is the mother bar, and that is the inside bar, because this smaller bar is contained inside this black one. You can see this white candle here is contained within the black candle here. So we call this one the mother bar, and this is the inside bar. Okay, so remember that it happens above moving average. That means you are only looking to buy. So where do you buy? So you put a buy stop at the high of the mother bar. So this is the inside bar. Price just close here and show you that, yeah, we got an inside bar. Then you put a buy stop on top of the mother bar and waiting when the price will break that high price, and then it will put you in your trade. So once you are in your trade, either when you are there or before then, you set your stop loss to below the inside bar. Okay, so your stop loss is below the inside bar itself. The trade will be triggered when we break the high of the mother bar. Any question? New people, any questions? Are you following us? Yeah? Okay. All right, so summary is that we are looking for inside bar on the higher time frame. So we want to try and use a higher time frame as much as possible. So the inside bar must occur in a strong trend. We enter the inside bar trade on a break of the mother bar. As we said, either mother bar high for a buy, mother bar low for a sell. And we place our stop loss just below the inside bar high or low. Okay. All right, so I will show you the period of the SMA is 10. Okay, so that is the end of the theory. So now you can fire me any question you have, and then we will go into practice. Okay. Great stuff. Okay, so now take a look at this. Take a look at here. I'm going to put some labels here so that you guys can have a look. So I've built this up already. Okay, for the benefit of people that are here for the first time, let me build it from the scratch. So I will say, or let me just show you the indicator as it is. Okay, so we have 3 indicators here. We have the moving average. I'll show you the moving average. You can see it's a 10 simple moving average. 10 simple moving average close price. Okay, that's the moving average. The second one is the bandwidth indicator. This is the bandwidth indicator. Okay, so in the input of the bandwidth indicator, you notice that it has the same settings as Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band period of 20 and the Bollinger Band deviation of 2, right? So the colors, if you look at the colors, it has it might have green and yellow, but I prefer to have it yellow. So that is the Bollinger Band width. So when the color is red, it means we are in a strong trend. When the color is yellow, it means that we are in a weak trend. And last but not least is the PZ indicator. This is the colors. This is the one that identify the inside bar. The PZ inside bar is the one that color this. Okay, it is just there to help you to identify the inside bar. So let me show you what it is inside that one. Okay, so for this one, it's got a minimum range in a bar is 1, the maximum range in a bar is 20, maximum history to 20,000. You can keep it 2,000. You can keep it the same settings. It's just going to color the inside bars for you, so it will help you to figure it out where they are. All right, there you go. Any questions so far? Okay, so let's read this question. What time frame should we use for this, and what SMA? Okay, I hope you got the answers now. We are talking of 10 simple moving average, and we want to use at least 4 hours. But I've seen people that use less than 4 hours. I've seen people that use 1 hour. In fact, on Telegram, I think someone is using 30 minutes. 30 minutes on Telegram, and they were successful. If you are the one on Telegram using it, let me know. Say yes, you are the one, because I know someone is doing 30 minutes on Telegram, and they are posting a good result. Okay, thank you so much. You said the strategy is superb. You started making small profit. Yeah, the small profit is going to turn into big profit, right? If you follow the strategy, because guys, ladies and gentlemen, what is keeping people from getting results in forex? There are a few things that keep people from getting results. One of them is that they keep repeating the same mistake all the time. The mistake they made before, they keep repeating it. One of the big mistake is trading without a strategy. They were just looking at the chart and say, oh, I feel like I'm going to buy it over there, or I'm going to sell it over there. Or they trade without a plan of where to get out and where to stop out if the trade goes against them. Okay, also, some people don't even understand exactly what they are doing. They don't really understand the market they are playing with. For example, you are trading pound dollar, and there's going to be a news today. There was a news at 12 o'clock today. News about interest rate and the quantitative easing in the United Kingdom. But you are trading pound dollar and you are not aware of that, and you are going to sell or buy at around the news time. So you just discover that as soon as you gone into the market, price changed, and you'll be wondering what's going on. Why did the price change? What happened? I was just making 10 pips. Now it's minus it's minus 35 pips. You know why? Because you haven't checked to see that a news is coming very shortly, maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes before you made your trade. So that's why some people don't understand exactly what they are doing. Okay, and some people focus on what? On profit. Just how much profit am I making? Instead of focusing on profit, focus on your performance, how to be better. You might even be doing it on a demo, but you focus on how you can be better. You can improve yourself. You can be better. You can do the right thing and not yet make money, right? but you may be doing the wrong thing and get lucky. You might be trading in a bad way, but you certainly get lucky one time or two times. Quickly you make some money, you are happy, but that will not last. But if you have the patience to wait, and you know what, be patient and follow your strategy and build it gradually, eventually you are going to get to a point where you know what you are doing. Okay. And so this strategy needs some focus, and you need to apply money management on this strategy. Yeah, so working with discipline is very, very important. Okay, Alexino, you just entered. Okay, wow, we just started. Don't worry, we'll explain it very well. We are going to explain it very well. You are still mastering it. Oh, good. You're mastering the strategy. Excellent. Okay, so now let's look at here now. So how do we play this one? Okay, so we see here the indicator has helped us to mark all the inside bar. So on this screen you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 inside bars. Okay, so let's start with the one that we can see here. Okay, so first of all, you are only taking the inside bar when the Bollinger Bandwidth is red. Okay, so let's look at this inside bar. When it happened here, Bollinger Band is yellow, so we will not take that. But when it happened here, Bollinger Band is red, so we are going to take that. When this happened here, Bollinger Band is red, we are going to take that. When this happened here, Bollinger Band is yellow, so we are not interested. This one, I'm going to ask you a question about it. This one happened here. Are we going to take this trade or not? Okay, so I'm going to put a number there, so you tell me whether that is a valid trade or not. Okay, remember, you are only buying above the moving average and you are only selling below the moving average. Okay, so if your price or the box is above moving average, you can buy. Okay, so I would say that's number one there. So that's number one. So you tell me whether this number one here is a tradable signal. Is number one tradable signal? Good. 30 or 15 for trend, and then buy sell on 5 minutes time frame. All right. So okay, so number one, can you trade number one? Is it a good signal? You can see the bandwidth is red. So why can we not take that trade? Yes, the bandwidth is red, which is good. So what happened? All right, I'm sure you know the answer. Okay, let me just answer this one first. So you can see that this occur below the moving average. So, and we cannot buy below the moving average. The blue color signify that it's a bullish breakout, because you can see this is the inside bar, and the inside bar was broken going upwards, and that is a buy signal, and we cannot buy below moving average. Okay, if we move to the next one here, this is the next one here. Obviously this one, right, is below moving average and it's a sell, but we cannot trade it because it is not red at the time. The bandwidth is not red, the bandwidth is still yellow. Okay, we cannot trade it because the bandwidth is yellow at the time, so we are going to skip that. Then the next one is the third trade, is this one here. This is the third trade. Okay, you can see the third trade, when it happened right when it is red. Okay, action time. So what do? You put a sell stop, because this is a sell signal. You put a sell stop, all right, below. You put a sell stop below the mother bar. So that is the mother bar. So you put a sell stop there. And remember, your stop loss is just going to be the high of the inside bar. But right now, both of them look like the same height. So your stop loss will be somewhere around here. Okay? So your stop loss will be somewhere just on top of that mother bar there. Okay? So that's your buy stop and that is the stop loss. Okay. Now the question is, what is your take profit? Your take profit will be, you start with TP1, which is the size of this box here. So you measure how many pips from your entry you entered here to your stop loss. So you calculate that that is 30 pips, about 30 pips. Okay, so your TP1 will be 30 pips, which is somewhere around, yes, somewhere around there is 30 pips. Okay, then your TP2 is 60 pips. That is your stop loss multiplied by 2. That's about 60 pips. Yes, and the TP3 is 90 pips, which is somewhere around, let's see whether we got up to 90 pips. Okay, yes, we did get up to 101 pips. So it shows that we have TP1, TP2, and TP3. Fantastic. So we got all the TPs from this trade. So you set your stop loss, and your TP1 is the size of your stop loss. TP2 is stop loss multiplied by 2. TP3 is stop loss multiplied by 3. Great. Any question? Any question? Especially the new people, any question? So this is a typical of what happened over the week. Okay. So somebody suggested 30 minutes. So let's see what happened to 30 minutes. Okay. For the 30 minutes, we'll see how different is this compared to 4 hours. Okay. So this is a 30 minutes signal, 30 minutes chart. Okay. You can see here, even here, you can see when this crosses here, I think we're still under the yellow. Okay, when it crosses here, you can see it's still yellow here. It could have been a good trade, could have been a very, very good trade going down, but we are prevented from going in because it's yellow. Okay, here, let me ask you, I'm going to put one here again. I want to find out if we can take that trade. There's a trade that I'm looking at. This next trade here, can we take this trade? This trade, can we take that trade? And if we cannot take the trade, why? Okay, so I'm going to put another number there. Let's say I put number 2 there this time. 2. Okay, so this trade here, is it tradable? Trade number 2. Okay, the trade here, is it tradable? Because we got a signal here that go short. Okay, we got a signal to go short. Can we trade it? Okay, why not? Okay, you want to how to get indicators? Yes, the indicator will be provided for you. So this is trade number 2 here. So you see that trade number 2, because it's above EMA. Correct. Thank you so much, Alexio. Because it is above EMA, it's above the SMA, right? And because of that, we cannot sell above. Here we can sell below if it is red. Here it crosses below. Yes, we can sell it if it is red. And as you can see, I think when it crosses, is red. So here we cannot buy because it's below moving average. Okay, let's see what else is available there. Okay, so pretty much that is the simple strategy. So All you are looking for is you are looking for the inside bar to be above moving average, and then the bandwidth to be red, then you go long. Inside bar to be below moving average here, you go short if the bandwidth is red. So simple. It's as simple as that. Let me put another this is Euro USD. Let's try Euro USD. Okay, let's try Euro USD and see what happened. Okay, remember this is 30 minutes. This is not 4 hours. This is 20 minutes, 30 minutes we are looking at. Ideally, you should be using it on 4 hours. But I just want to show you that it can work on a lower time frame as well. Look at there. Here, that is, you are not going to take that trade. This one, you are going to take this trade probably when it crosses. If it is red, when it crosses, it's a lovely trade. Here, when it crosses, it's yellow. So this one, when it crosses, is yellow. Here you will trade this trade as well. Okay, so that is 30 minutes. So if you go back to 4 hours, let's see what happens. Because sometimes you might not get a trade on a higher time frame, but you can come down to a lower time frame and find a good trade. Okay, let's see this 4 hour here. Okay, here this is not a trade because it's above moving average. This one, when it crosses it crosses below moving average, but bandwidth is yellow at the time. Okay, here when it crosses it above moving average, which is a good buy. However, bandwidth is yellow. So you see, all our combinations sometimes will prevent us from going into trade. If you can't find trade on a higher time frame, you might drop to a lower time frame and see if you can find a good setup. Okay, good. How do we get this indicator, and can it be installed on MT5? Okay, so the indicators are for MT4. They are for MT4 platform. I know few of them. You can get few of them for MT5. For example, moving average, of course, is on any platform. This box thing, because this one is a custom indicator, it's not going to be, you can find it for MT5. It might be called a different name. This bandwidth indicator, I'm sure there should be one for MT5 as well, but the one that I will use here is for MT4. Okay, New Zealand Japanese yen 5 hours. You want us to check that? Okay, NZDJPY. NZDJPY. Where is it? NZD. NZDJPY. Here we go. Okay, we see. So we're going to look at New Zealand 4 hours. Okay, here we go. All right. So good point. Good point. So what we are going to look, well, this one is getting ready for a setup. This is a setup that will happen maybe tomorrow, because you remember this is 4 hours charts. So if this 4 hour close bullish and we get another 4 hour that's going bullish as well, then we are going to break that mother bar. Once we break the high of this mother bar here, we are going to, so you put your, right now you can put your buy stop here, right? Buy stop here, and you are going to put your stop loss right below the inside bar. That little black candle is the inside bar, right? This one is the mother bar, and this little one is the inside bar. You can see sometimes your stop loss may be large. Okay, so then what is your potential profit? Your initial potential profit is the size of the stop loss. So let's just estimate. Let's estimate your first profit. Yeah, your first profit might be there, TP1. Let's estimate the second profit. The second profit target might be, yeah, TP2, maybe around there. And it's up to you how many trades you want to do. I know somebody that do multiple trades. So once one of their trades is successful, they add more trade. So they keep on milking this thing. So for example, if you have been adding trade here along here, when you get a good signal, you see you could have added like 2 or 3 or 4 trades here and take your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. So if such a thing has developed again right here as it has been before, so because this is a bullish trend and there's a little reversal meet some kind of a support level and it's going back, and then it breaks here, it might move again up to here before we get another reversal. So that's how you plan your trade. Okay, very good. So that is Abby. Yes. So who showed us? Okay, that's Abdul Rashid. Okay, yes, Abdul Rashid. Yes, you are right. That is a setting up for trade, but not yet. So you only put your buy stop and be waiting. Put your buy stop and your stop loss here. Okay. Your stop loss is going to be big from the way I'm looking at it. Your stop loss is not too bad. 40 pips. Your stop loss is 40 pips. Your first target will be 40 pips. Look, my hand is so straight, man. I got it. The next one will be 80 pips. Did I get that one? Yes. Yeah, 80, 82. Yeah, the next one will be what? 120. Yeah, 120. Around there. Around 120. So you can take TP1, TP2, TP3 up to that level here. Okay, so your TP3 could be around there. Okay, so don't lose your focus on money management as well. Everybody, you know that money management is very important. Okay, the money management is how many lots do you trade. For each entry, the lot size will depend on your account size and the stop loss that you are using. So take for example, for this trade, as we said, our stop loss, we already know it. Yeah, we said our stop loss is 40 pips. Now you have a $1,000 account. What do you think your stop loss should be? What do you think your stop? No. You have a $1,000 account, and you want to take a trade, and your stop loss is 40 pip. How many pips do you think you can trade? Who can guess? Who can give us a very solid guess? So listen here very well. Your account size is $1,000. Then you want to take a trade with a stop loss of 40 pips. Your percentage of risk is 2%. So you have decided that you don't want to risk more than 2% of your account. Who can guess what is this the size, position size you think you can trade? Are you able to trade one standard lot, one mini lot, or one micro lot? Or what size do you think you can trade? Let's have a guess. Okay, let's have a guess. I hope you understand that. So account size is $1,000. Number of pips for stop loss is 40. Risk percentage is 2. What is your lot size? Okay, so Mohammed, you think is 0.1. Okay, let's keep it coming. I want more suggestions, please. So more suggestion. 40 pips. Stop loss is 40 pips. Okay, I'm going to type the stop loss here. Stop loss. So SL, stop loss. Stop loss is 40 pip. So stop loss is 40 pips. So what is our lot size? I want to see. I want to see how many, what is the stop, what's your, what is lot size you're going to buy? Are you going to buy 2 standard lots for your $1,000 account? All right. Okay. 0.05. Okay. Make sure you don't trade too low or too high. Let's see. Okay. So we have 0.5, we have 0.1, we have 0.05. Okay. Let's have two more suggestions. Then we go and do the calculations. I'll show you where to go and do the calculations. I'll show you where to do a calculation. Why I'm saying this, guys, is because losing focus on money management is the number one killer. Is the number one killer in forex. And on our where we trade our students on our platform, we show them how to manage your trade. So we show them how not to trade without money management. Money management is a killer. Okay, whether you are using a scalping strategy or you are using a low time frame or higher time frame, you must keep an eye on your money management. Whatever you are doing, money management is very important. Okay, 1.39. Okay, that's your time. Okay, good. All right, that's brilliant. So we have range of different ideas, suggestions about where the how many stop loss, what is lot size. Okay, so we have from 0.05, the highest is 0.05, and the lowest the lowest is 0.05 and the highest is 0.5. So we are going to calculate it now. We are going to use my FS book. I hope you guys know it. I'll show you quickly. Okay, so this is positional size calculator. Okay, so remember we wanted to trade. Continue to my FS book. So we wanted to trade, we wanted to trade New Zealand JPY. Okay, New Zealand JPY. So you select New Zealand, JPY. Okay, we said your account size is $1,000, so you put $1,000. You want to risk 2%, and then stop loss, you said we are using a 40 pip stop loss. All right, so this one is a standard contract size, so you leave that on its own. So what we are looking for is we are trading New Zealand JPY. Our currency is USD. Account size is $1,000. Risk ratio 2%. Stop loss in pips 40 pips. Okay, calculate. Let's see who's the closest. 0.05. Who is the closest? Okay, 0.05. Who is the closest to the answer? 0.05. So don't round it up to 0.06. Always round it up down. So don't say it's 0.06. So because you see 5 at the end there, just 0.05. So with your $1,000, with this amount of stop loss pips, you can only trade 0.05. Yes. So the question was, if your stop loss is bigger than the position, will be decreasing, and vice versa. That's correct. So we are going to practice that now. We are going to practice that. So you see now, because your stop loss here is 40 pips, your position you must take is, oh, good stuff. Kachi, you got it. I think Kachi got it. Who else got it? Let's see. Jit got it as well. Ebby got it as well. Who else got it? Alexino got it. Okay, so quite a few people got it. That's good. All right. Yeah. So now let's change it around. Let's say you are a scalper. Okay, you are scalping on a 1 minute, on a 5 minute chart, and you find a trade, and your stop loss is only 5 pips. It's only 5 pips, but everything else is the same. Your account size is still $1,000. You are okay. Now let's say you are trading New Zealand JPY again. Okay, you are still trading New Zealand JPY. Your account size is $1,000. You are still risking the same amount, 2%. But the only thing that changed now is that your stop loss is no longer 40 pips, it's only 5 pips. So let's see what will be your position size. Wow, look at that. You can now trade 0.4 mini lot. Before you can only take 0.05, 5 micro lot on the same account, $1,000. You see the big difference between the stop loss pips, stop loss now. the size of your stop loss is very, very significant to your money management. If the size of the stop loss, you are not careful about it, you can lose more than 2%. Okay, great stuff. Okay, now let's say your stop loss is 150 pips. So you are a position trader or a swing trader that likes to trade on a daily chart, and you find a very good setup. That setup is so brilliant, you want to trade it, but you look at where to put your stop loss, and it's a 150 pips stop loss. Okay, so everything is still the same. You are trading New Zealand JPY, you still have $1,000 account. Your risk ratio you want to use is still 2%, but now you have a huge stop loss pips, because you are trading a higher time frame. You are trading a very big time frame. Now the question is, what is your position size? Calculate. Wow. 0.01 micro lot, one micro lot with $1,000. You see how it can help you, because if you go ahead and trade take this trade with 150 pips, and you now use the same lot size, let's say you use 0.35 or something like that, or 0.4, you know that you can kill your account instantly. Within a day, you will blow that account out, because you are no longer risking 2%. Probably you are risking like 15-20%. So it is very, very important to take note of what money management is all about. Okay, so as I said before, consistency is the name of in forex. So it's not a one hit wonder. You just hit it one day and that's it. No, you got to be consistent. All right, you got to be consistent all day long, because the market is not forgiving. Any small mistake, the market is going to punish. Another problem is that you have to learn the right strategy. You have to learn the right strategy from the right group of people. I know, if you look on the internet, there are so many strategies on the internet. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good, but you got to pick the right strategy. Okay, and you don't even have to jump into a live trade immediately. You can stay in a demo trading for a while, or even if you're in a live trading and suddenly things are not going well, you can revert back to demo for a moment, and look at where things are going wrong and try to correct it. Okay, but don't be fearful of losing, because if you are fearful of losing, that means you want to keep your trade going on, even though you're supposed to have cut your loss short. You have to cut your loss as early as possible. But people that they have a fear of losing, it means they will let their losing position run. It will run and run and run and run until eventually it blows the account. So don't be caught up in that. And that's one of the things that we train our students. I'm going to show you at the end of this lesson. I'm going to show you what we do, and you might be interested, or you might have interest in joining us and learn properly how to trade. Whether you have fund yourself or you are trading with a proprietary firm. I'm sure most of you know proprietary firms now. Proprietary firms are companies that set you a challenge, and if you pass that challenge, right, they will fund you. They give you a capital to trade. I think it's a great thing to do. If you want to do it, you can come to us. We'll show you some of the good ones you can follow. But I think it's a good thing. I hope you guys also believe that as well. Because what? You are not risking your money. Although they take some kind of a little registration fee from you. Let's say you pay $50 or $100 as a registration fee. And if you pass their challenge, they might give you a $10,000 account. So, that's a little money to put down for the possibility of trading a $10,000 life account. So, in that case, you need to know what you are doing. Okay? You need to know what you are doing. You need to set your objective properly. Okay. So any more questions? Let's see. Okay, so these are not suitable for working professional. They have to think for investing. Okay. All right. So okay, so we have calculated that. So right. So all these guys here is to show you that you are using the proper money management. Okay. So let me show you one more. Let's say you still have the $1,000, but your stop loss is 300 pips, right? You look at that, like Jet says, investors, yeah? Investors, you look at that and you say 300 pips, what is my position size? 0. You cannot trade it because it's 0.007. I mean, in my own platform, there is no, is it nano? The less is 0.01. So this guy is 0.00 something. So that means this is not tradable. You cannot trade an account of $1,000 if your stop loss is 300 pips. So that means you need to bring more money. So let's say you add more money. You add one more 9,000. So your money is now 10,000. Now let's see what you can trade. Now you can trade 7 micro lots with a $10,000 account. So you see how great you guys must take this. How you must take it very, very seriously. So while saying that, we have built a platform. Okay, we have built a platform. We call it your Trade Mentor. So what our platform does is to hold you by the hand to teach you how you can become a successful trader. Okay, most of our students, they are on their way to becoming successful. Some already have crossed that line. They are already trading live account and they are making profit every month. Okay, because now they have gone through the phases that you are going through. They have gone through it, and now they have gone to the other side where now they are successful and consistent. Okay, so in your tradementor.com, we have a program for all people that want to join us. Okay, so we call that trade program. We call it we design a package. We call it silver package. So for our silver package in the training, what do you get? Okay, you become a Discord member. Discord membership is private to only those that are members, those that are subscribing to us, those that we are belonging to our inner private membership. Okay, then you have access to all training courses, which is about $500 in value. You have access to download MT4 indicator and different expert advisor, value of $1,000. Okay, now every week in our group we do a live training every week, and I deliver the live training just like I'm doing now. So but on our Discord channel, I deliver live training and I talk about what you want to know, the topic that you want to know. If you want me to discuss something specific to your trade, I'll pick it up and discuss it with the team. We are going to give you 3 powerful trading strategies, and these strategies you can pick any of them. You can decide which of the strategy you want to use. If none of those strategies are your cup of tea, we have a live signal. We give out live signals and analysis. So some people will say, no, I don't even want you, I just want a signal. So we provide signal free of charge. You are not going to pay for any of this. We give you access to live trading room. Live trading room means that where all you traders, you come together and discuss what type of trade you are taking, why you are taking the trade. You find a support level, or you find a trend line is broken, double top, double bottom. Those things you discuss it together in the trading room. Okay, so we call it a silver package. So it contains all of this. Okay, so tonight, if you add all this together, you might be wondering, man, who's going to pay for all this? My pocket is going to blow out, right? Oh yeah, but don't worry about that. You are not going to pay anything close to what you are seeing here, because I want you to become a member. I want you to come and join us and learn how to trade. All of those you have seen so far is only going to be $50, and this is the standard price, $50. So if you want to learn how to trade properly, and you want to become one of us, join us. You will go to, I will send you the link right now. So you are going to go there to become one of our members. Okay, so when you get there, you will see a silver package. You will just pick the silver package, and it will show you that is a $50. Okay, so I will send you the link now. All you need to do is just click it and go to the website. Okay, so go to the website and click register. All right, click register and you will be there. Okay, so that is the link. If you want to look at that link now, so you click that link, go there, you register. Okay, it's $50. All right, but tonight I want to give you a special gift for the remaining of you, because I see some of you, like some of you are, your time there right now is midnight and you are still here listening. So it means that you have a great interest. So I'm going to help you a little bit, right? I'm going to help you a little bit. So only for tonight, yes, only for tonight, even this $50, I'm going to cut it for you. I am going to reduce this $50 for you tonight, only tonight, because it's going to go down. So I'm going to give you a discount of 20%. Only if you go there and sign up tonight. By midnight, the offer will be removed. The offer will be removed. So if you want to take that advantage, okay, this is the discount code you need. Okay, make sure you copy this discount code, write it down now, so that when you get to the website, you are going to type in that discount code. That's capital N, small d, 4, capital N, small p, small e. If you type that into the website, you are going to get a 20% discount off $50. So even though the $50 is just a little token to pay, still you are still going to get a 20% on top of that. So if you are interested in it, I will encourage you to go there straight away and do it, because once you've done it, I will personally send you an email tonight. I will send you email tonight about how you can access all the indicators and the expert advisor on our platform. Okay, so just click and put the discount code there. You get an email from me tonight. That is if you sign up as we speak. I can see somebody is already signing up now. So if you sign up, I'm going to send you email that contain the coupon code. So the coupon code will actually give you access to all the indicators and all the expert advisors on the platform. And immediately you register, you get a login detail. You get your username and password. Just use the same username and password, which is your email address. Basically, use it immediately to log in. Once you log in, you have access to over 30 training videos. In fact, I say 30, it's way more than that. You get access to all the training videos that I've produced. You have followed me on YouTube. You know the quality of the video we produce. We've put most of those videos on the portal, on the training portal. So you get there, you log into your student area. The videos are divided into 3 groups. You have the beginners, you have the intermediate, and you have the advanced. So it depends on which level you are in forex trading. If you are a beginner, you will start from the beginner level, and so on and so forth. And not only that, once you join, we will add you to our Discord server immediately tonight. And by tomorrow, when the market is open again, or when European session open, or if you want to trade Asian session, you will begin to discuss with us on Discord and exchange ideas. Whatever you want to know more, we give you a proper introduction of Discord and how we operate. So That's very good. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't mind to put it across and I will answer it. Thanks for the like buttons. I see 14 likes already, but let's keep the like going. Let's keep it up to 20. Let's see if we can get up to 20 likes tonight. Okay, who hasn't given us yet? Yes, so if you've registered already, okay, let me send you a link to this to our Telegram channel. Okay, so we have a Telegram channel. I think most of you know already. We have a Telegram channel, and on Telegram channel we have over how many 1,000 people or so on the channel, on the Telegram channel, and we are all in the same group. Okay, so once you have registered, you can come to the Telegram channel. Let me show you the Telegram channel. It's free. Telegram channel is free. You can see all the discussion in Telegram channel. People will put their trade, what they are talking about. Like this person is talking about this inside bar trading, inside bar strategy. What else? Like, yeah, this guy is showing us another inside bar. Everybody has developed their own style. This is another inside bar. Okay, so people have developed their own trading style. So you are welcome, when you are here, and occasionally also I will send a general signal to the group, to the whole group. So now we have about 1,167 people in Forex Simple Breakout Strategy group, and that is our group. So we send you signals like this. You can have a look. If it's something that you want to check it out, well, it's free. You don't have to pay. This is another one. And all members are welcome to contribute. So everybody contributes to the channel. So this is one person showing their trade. Okay, look at this guy. He's showing how many pips he has made, during this using this same strategy. You can see the template is the same as we've discussed tonight. You can see this guy is making 182 pips already using this strategy. Okay, so once again I'll give you the link. So the link to register is this one. So you click here to register. Let me send you the link for Telegram. If you want to join our Telegram, I'll send you the link to the Telegram. And Telegram channel is free, as you know, and you are going to meet like-minded traders there. Okay, so that's the Telegram channel. So on Telegram, just click Telegram and join. It is free. Okay, thank you so much. I see more likes. Our likes has got to 16 already. We have 4 to go. 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Who hasn't given us like yet? We need 4 more likes to go. All right, so we see this guy here has used this strategy. Nice inside bar we took yesterday. Chef Japanese yen. Just gonna trail it. So it's up employing a trailing stop. He's using a trailing stop strategy. So that is the that is the inside bar, the one he took. You can see that little bar there. He took that trade and he's been trailing that trade. He's been trailing it, and you can see even maybe if the price continues to go up, we never know, it might continue to go up, and this guy will continue to trail it and milk it. All right, so that is what you get when you join this free simple breakout strategy group. So I'll put the link for you. Hello Sandeep, it's good morning there. Okay, so if you register today and use this code, the code I just showed you, let me show you again. So make sure you write this down. Okay, write that down. If you use this code between now and 12 midnight, so my time is 9:30. So in the next 2.5 hours, if you use this code, you will get the 20% discount straight away. But after midnight, this code will no longer work, because the reason why I do it this way is to make sure I compensate all of you guys that attend the YouTube channel. So you attend the YouTube channel, you spend your time, somebody's already maybe midnight or even early morning, and they are still watching this video. It shows some commitment. And because you show commitment, I need to compensate you. So that's why I'm giving this. If I leave it till tomorrow, somebody who didn't attend this and watching the YouTube, just watching this video on YouTube, say, oh yeah, I want the coupon, I want the discount. It will go on the website and put it there. Woo, sorry, it's not going to work. It's only for you guys. It's only for you guys. You can go and test it, because I'm sure some people will want to test it and see. By midnight, it's gone. All right. But if you go there before me, I know, in fact, someone has already just signed up. Okay. So if you do that before midnight, you will get this package. And as I said before, you know, you are getting quite a lot of things. If you get to the sign up, you can ask us how to get all these values. Okay. So you ask us, how do I join your Discord membership? You ask us how can I access all the training courses? How can I download all the indicators and expert advisor? Where can I have the weekly group training from me? Where are the 3 trading strategies? Show me. Okay. Where is the live trading signal, please? Where is the trading room? Show me the trading room. I'm coming, right? So you can ask us all these questions. You can see the values that we are going to give to you. We want to over deliver. We want to promise little bit, over deliver. Okay, so that's why we are giving you, this is a token. It's just a token for you to enter and realize what we have for you. Okay, and because you are on the YouTube tonight, as I said, you have spent your time, I'm going to compensate you, and that's why I'm going to give you this 20% discount. But remember, when you get there, select silver package. Okay, silver package has the discount 20%. All right, so any question tonight? Yeah, so if you have questions, you can always reach us at on the Telegram channel. Thank you so much. I can see my like is now 18. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, who's gonna do us the honor? Who's gonna do the honor and make it 20? If you do that tonight, make it 20 tonight. That would be fantastic. All right, that would be great. Okay. All right, so any more question? I know someone has a burning question to ask. I'm still here. If you have any burning question, don't worry, ask me. Even if it's about the trade or about the offer, just ask me and I will let you know. Okay. And also the web address is this, is there, yourtradementor.com, and just say register. Okay, you want me to check gold? Why not? I'm gonna check gold. Okay, so let me check gold, which is XAUUSD, right? XAUUSD. Gold sometimes do perform very well. Wow, Jesus, hey, look at that. This is 4 hours. Okay, all right, so this is a very good break. Okay, who asked that question? Ebby. Oh no, who asked that question? Chego Alexino. Did you take this trade? If you do, you'll be money right now. Because you can see when it happened. Yes, it happened nearly when it's red, right? So if it happened on a red level, it could have been a good trade, but one more bar for it to be red. Okay, so we might have missed it, because if you look at when it crosses here, because this is when it crosses at this, and we are just one bar from being red. Okay, so it might not, you might go and take it, but I will prefer us to have the red, because to have the red Bollinger bandwidth first. Otherwise, you could have been going in all this trade, which is not going to be profitable. You know, like here, you see, this is also a break, but you see, it didn't go anywhere. It didn't go anywhere because the bandwidth is yellow. So that's why I want, when the bandwidth is red, it means we are in a trend. You can see now the bandwidth has gone red. It's trying to tell us that, oh, we have started a new trend. So this red can go on for the next 3, 4, 5, 7, 20 bars. Yeah, it can go on and on and on. So let me scroll back. So you can see here, when we are in a trend, you can see the bandwidth is red. All right, let's go again. You can see nice trend here. You can see the bandwidth is red. As soon as we're out of trend, the bandwidth goes yellow. So look at all this rubbish trade, because I call this rubbish trade because they are going nowhere and the bandwidth is yellow. Okay, that is a range. That's a range period. Okay, excellent. That's a good point. That's a good one. Okay, good. The good question is, how do we get the custom indicator? All right. So under this video that you are watching, okay, so I'm sure you are watching this video right now. Under this video, under the description of this video, let's go YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. Under the description of this video, you will see, you are going to see in there that I have uploaded, I've put a link where you can download the indicators. You can download the indicator, and you can also download, and not only the indicator, you can download the template as well, and it's free. Okay, please do not put your email address, because some people, they like to send junk and spam to people. So this is what we are watching right now. So this is the video you are watching right now. So to get that indicator, let me make sure I quickly put that one on mute, because it will shout out. Okay, so you can see this is where to register for our mentorship. This is where to register with my broker if you want. This is how to join the Telegram free, and this is how to download the inside bar trade indicator. So you just click here, it will take you to download area, and then you put your detail and you download the indicator. All right, it's as simple as that. This is free. Okay, so just make sure you go to 18. Who is going to push it to 20? 2 more likes. 2 more likes. You are welcome, Abby. I hope you got it. Yes, thank you. On trading view, yes, I think on trading view, yes, we have on trading view, we have all the indicators on trading view. Let's see. Yes, on trading view, we have the moving average, of course. On trading view, we have this as well. We have the BB width. I think, yes, on trading view, we have inside bar. Yes, we have inside bar. But you know that trading view also have these custom indicators that other people have developed, and for you to actually get hold of that custom indicator, sometimes trading view will ask you, you know what, they will ask you to sign up to upgrade or something like that. Okay, so check it out. But I'm sure we have the BB width, and we have the moving average. We have the BB width and the moving average. This inside bar, we have it there, but check if it is available for free for somebody that just have a free account. If you have not upgraded. Cool. Thank you so much. All right. So yeah, Abby, you can get indicator now, right? Okay, Alexino, 1 hour. Okay, you want me to check? So sorry, I didn't see that 1 hour. So you want me to check 1 hour chart? Okay, for gold. All right, I just saw that now. Alexino. Okay, 1 hour. Let's see what happened in 1 hour. Oh man, that's right. You are right, man. So you can see this is setting for a good trade, right? It's setting for a good trade. That's a buy stop there. You put a buy stop, and your stop loss will just be here. Your stop loss will actually be smaller than there. Your stop loss will be here, okay, below the inside bar. That inside bar, yeah, that is your stop loss. So you are going to put a buy stop here, and your stop loss is here. It's very small stop loss, and look at your potential gain. It could be huge, because if you get this kind of a bar again, one more bar like that, whoop, that will be TP1, TP2, TP3, because your TP1 will be the size of this stop loss, which is very small actually, because you can see this bar alone is 3 times or more bigger than this stop loss. This is a kind of very good trade. If it goes that way, it just puts you in a buy, and it never reverses, it never touches your stop loss. Profit all the way. Profit all the way. So this one is a 1 hour chart. Okay, yeah, so it's a good setup. It's a very good setup. Alexino, yes, very good setup. If you are still watching. Are you still watching or you gone? That's why it's always good to stay and see to the end of any good thing, because you never know when the goodies will come in, right? Okay, what question do we have? Is the moving average exponential? No, the moving average is actually simple. Let me show you the moving average. You can see simple. Well, you can use any of the either simple or exponential. Let's just keep it simple. But if I put it exponential, it will probably make little or no difference. Let me show you that. This is exponential. See, does it make any really difference to our trading? No, there's no difference at all, whether exponential or simple. So, but because simple is the default, I like to just keep it simple. Simple moving average. Simple. Look at the moving average. Check if you are going to notice any significant difference. Let me move this up. So when I click OK now, you will see it will change to, because this is exponential, it will change to moving simple. Let's see. See, simple. It's still below it. The box is still above it, either simple or exponential. Here, the same thing. So the difference is not really much. Yes, it's 10. Yeah, it's a 10. Let me show you once more. I think I showed you already. In fact, you can see it written there. It's written there. It's a 10. Yeah, 10 simple moving average, and it's shift. There's no shift, 0. Remember, it's applied to close. Close. Yeah, it's applied to close. Okay. What time frame does it work with? Yes, we've said we like to use it on a higher time frame, like 4 hours. Yes, but it doesn't mean that you can't use it on a lower time frame. I've just said, I think I can even show you some of the if I can find a guy on Telegram that was using it on a lower time frame, and it seems to be working for them. You can see that this is a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see it's pointing to an inside bar. That is an inside bar. The bar is inside this big one here. So that is the way he designed his own. You know, he's still trading same inside bar, and he's using 30 minutes. So I think he caught this trade very, very well. Okay, so that's why everybody cannot trade the same way. Okay, you can get the basic or the foundation of the strategy, and then you can go and fine tune it to look like what you like, what pleases you, what gel with you. You know, if you are a short-term person that you like 5 minutes chart, for example, and somebody asks you to trade on a daily time frame, it will be boring for you, because you won't find any trade the whole day, and you want to take 5-10 trades a day. So you have to adjust that strategy to match your own kind of a personality. So these guys now, even though he knows that it's 4 hours, but he has designed it for his 30 minutes, and I think it's happening for him. And I think there's a guy that was actually taking even lower time frame. Okay, this guy now is talking of 4 hours, right? So, and this guy is talking of 4 hours as well. So you can see different people with different stuff to it. I think this must be 4 hours as well. So you can design it the way you like. Okay, look at this guy. He's talking of 1 hour. And what is bad in that? Look at that. Look at that. That is an inside bar. And look at the profit is made already. And this guy, I think it's already, I think he traded this, right? Because you can see his take profit target. So he put his take profit target. So he has traded it already. So that's an inside bar. They're showing you with the arrow. That is an inside bar. When the inside bar is broken, it goes short. And there you go. There you go. Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Yeah, no, the moving average is exponential. Sorry, it's a simple moving average. And it's 10, yeah. Yes, it works on all pairs. But try to limit it to a few pairs. Study it on few pairs first. And instead of jumping different pairs, you might just move time frames so that you are familiar with how it works. Okay. Can we get the videos when we sign up for the course? Yes. You can get all the videos I have on the student training portal. We have over 50 videos that's available there. We have videos for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, so this particular video that you are watching now is on YouTube. This live session is on YouTube, but as you know, it's over 1 hour long. Okay, but if you want a video that specifically discuss the strategy without all the fluffs, because this one contains all the fluffs. If you want a video that discuss the strategy in a short time frame, like short period, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, or even 5 minutes, that discusses the strategy in a short, concise way, you can only find that on the student portal when you log in. When you sign up and log in, you can find such videos. But if you are not a student, our student yet, you'll have to make do with this YouTube video. I can imagine if you want to watch this strategy, you have to sit down for what, 1 hour 1 hour, 2 hours, and watch the whole video before you get the strategy, right? So but we are going to hold your hand. As I said to you, there are a lot of mistakes that traders make. We have all made that mistake before, but you don't have to repeat other people's mistake. So you have to learn from other people's mistake. Instead of you repeating their mistake, learn from them. And the best way is to get a mentor that can help you to find your strategy. All right. Yes. Good. You want to be a student, you are welcome. That's a very good decision. I believe you have the link. I think I sent it earlier. Let me send you again. The link is here. And the good thing is, if you sign up tonight, that's the link. You can click that link and register. So the beautiful thing for you tonight is, if you do it between now and 12 midnight my time, that's about 2 hours time, right? I will give you, I think I showed you before, I'll give you a 20% discount. Make sure you write this down when you go and register. Write that information down. You will need it. So when you get there, just type that before you check out. It will show you $50, but when you type that information there in discount box and click apply discount, it will drop it by 20%, but only between now and midnight. In the next 2 hours, because it's nearly 10 o'clock now. In the next 2 hours, if you do that, it will work. If you do it 2 hours and 1 minute later, it will not work again. It's disabled after midnight. So if you want, hey, thank you so much. I have 20 likes, ladies and gentlemen. I have 20 likes. Thank you so much. So Elendo, yes, yes, you're about to pay. Good. I'm going to get your information. Promise you tonight, you will receive, first of all, make sure you check your junk mail, right? Yes, it's 40. Yeah, you are right, 40. Make sure you check your junk mail, because I'm going to send you a welcome email tonight. That welcome email will have a coupon code. The coupon code will allow you to download as many indicators or expert advisor on our portal. Those things, they worth over $1,000. I showed you already. Then tonight, if you are not too tired, you are going to get a link to join our Discord group tonight. Okay, so if you are not, because first day is always a lot of things to take on board, a lot of information. So if you still have capacity to take all those tonight, yes, we are going to send you the information how to join Discord group. But as soon as you join, the best thing is to join our Telegram immediately. That is a free channel. Join that Telegram as soon as you make your payment. Join the Telegram. Then you can ping me or ping Demi. There's a name there. You can see the Demi is here. I'll tap the name for you. Look for the name called Demi on Telegram. Okay, it's called Demi B. On Telegram, when you're on Telegram, look for that name on Telegram. Just ping and say, look, I've just signed up. I need to join your Discord group, and then you'll be taken care of. Okay. So thank you so much. You can pay with different methods. You can pay with PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you can pay with Stripe. If you don't have Stripe, you can also pay with Paystack. I know Paystack is very good with African country, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Ghana, or Ivory Coast, different countries in Africa. Because Paystack is now a worldwide company, though it started in Africa, but it's been purchased by I think Stripe from the US has bought them. So it's now a global organization. So thank you so much, Elendu and everyone else that has registered tonight. I'm sure you are going to have a wonderful time with us. There are a lot of good things that we are rolling out, and when we roll them out, and of course, who's going to get it first? Student, of course, we get it first, and then we'll come out to all other our subscribers on YouTube. So all my subscribers on YouTube, thank you so much. You have been with us for so many years, and I'm sure you're enjoying our services. But you know what? This is just the beginning. We're going to bring more and more goodies for you. All right. So, is there any more questions? Oh, my likes is 21. I got 21 likes. Because, you know what, let me tell you a secret. I wanted to leave when our like is 20. My plan was, watch that like. Once it's 20, my day is done. My day is done. My business is finished today. But look, the like is already 21. And we're only 13 left. Brilliant. Thank you so much, everybody. If you have not signed on, don't worry about it. You know, we have plenty of time. Maybe once you have the your fund available, but don't worry if you don't have your fund available today. You know, you can still do it next time. But if you have your fund available right now, is the best time to do it, because I think it makes sense. Instead of losing you fund your account. Let's say you fund the account with $500 to a broker, and then you lose that $500. What benefit is that to you? Because the money you lost to the broker, you can't get it back. You can't get it back from broker. It's gone. Somebody lost 50K. It's gone. Bye-bye. But ask that person to come and, like pay $50 for a training. They might say, oh, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. But they end up funding the account with $1,000 or $500, and they lost it. So I will suggest that you will first of all take care of learning first, and once that is sorted, you're on a very solid path, then of course we will help you to open a live account, and you can do it yourself. So we know there are good brokers and there are not so good brokers. So if you need us to help you with brokerage, opening an account, which one is good for Africa, which one is good to withdraw your money, which one is good, is regulated, we will point you in the right directions. Okay. Yes, I believe. Let me tell you, if you follow the rules and things that we tell you in the group, and you do it exactly as other people are doing it, you are not going to say the same story again. You are going to come out of that losing streak. I know what you mean. You are going to come out of losing streak. What we do is we attach you to winning traders. That's our strategy. We know we have some winning traders. We attach you to those people that are already winning, and they show you exactly how they do it. And once you follow it, the thing is that you have to follow. Don't change it. You might look at where it can benefit you, but first of all, look at what they are telling you first. They will provide you with signals, and once you follow that, at least for a while, follow it for a while. I know there's a guy that joined recently, and that person has blown his account. So because we are open, we talk it openly, and nobody judge anybody about accounts or anything. Everybody has blown account many times. Demi has blown account many times. So that's not a secret. So we talk about it. In fact, it gives you kind of relief that you are not alone. Other people also, they've seen the same thing, they have passed through the same thing. So this person joined us recently. He's blown account many times before joining us, and they just took their time, relax, learn the strategy, learn the rope, start with a demo. Some people also believe that the demo is not good enough, so we encourage them to open a small life account, maybe $50, just to practice. Okay, so you'll be trading micro lots just to be practicing, but it's still in a life environment. So it's up to you if you can do it in demo, if you like demo. Some people say, oh no, I don't want demo at all because it's not the same psychology. I agree with them. So those people can use their small life account. So we'll recommend for you to follow us at least for a month. So after a month, we'll give you signals if you want signals, but if you want to trade yourself, then you will learn our strategy. We have different strategy, including not limited to the 3 that we said here. We have price action strategy as well. So we will teach you how you can learn the price action, how you can find support and resistance, trend lines, key levels, all those things, double bottom, double top. You can find candlestick patterns, things like that. We can also show you that. Okay, don't worry, Elendi. Once you got to Telegram, ping me tonight. Yes, I promise you, ping me tonight. If you want to sign up, ping me and add me as your friend. And you are welcome to chat me up anytime. If you have personal questions, just chat me up, no problems. I will answer you. So far, it's not going to take me 6 hours. Okay, Abdurashid, your card is having some problems. I will pay the money tomorrow. Hope my discount is still there. Ooh, okay. What I'll say is, it will paying tomorrow just for you, Abraham. I'm speaking to Demi now. Demi, please note the name Abdurashid Mohammed, because the discount is not going to be there tomorrow, definitely. But once Rashid gets to you tomorrow and remind you of the discount, we'll ask our team to put it just for him. Because if you do it by yourself tomorrow, Mohammed, you are not going to get it. It's gone. It's not going to be there tomorrow. Definitely not going to be there. So, but if you contact Demi on Telegram tomorrow, anytime tomorrow, just ping Demi. The name is Demi. Or you can see me there as well. Ping me, Dare, and say, oh, please, can you give me that code? It will be a different code. This code you are looking at is gone. By midnight, it's gone already. So you won't see that. But our team can give you a new code just for you, because you have made your decision tonight, but it's only because your card is not working. So we'll give you a different code tomorrow. Okay, my name on Telegram, I think it's Dare. Let me see. Telegram. What's my name on Telegram? My name on Telegram is Dare. Let me check. Actually, once you sign up, have you joined Telegram yet? Let me see. Have you joined Telegram yet? Okay, so let's see. What's your name on Telegram? If you join Telegram, I'll ping you right now. What's your name on Telegram? My Mr. Best. Tell me your name on Telegram, then I will ping you so you can see my name. I will message you right away. Okay, so this is the Telegram, you guys. Tomorrow, this is Demi here. You can see Demi. So Demi is the name. So you ping Demi tomorrow. My name on Telegram, let's see, @Dare. Okay, that's my name on Telegram. You can see my name on Telegram, right? Okay, yes. So all right, let me note that. Let me have you joined already? Okay, Engineer Uche. Okay, let me find Engineer Uche at Engineer Uche, which is ENGR. Engineer. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, this is you. Let me go here. I think this is how we do it. I'm gonna go to members. Where is members? Okay, Engineer Uche, can I message you? View profile. Okay, can I send you message? Yeah, I can send you message. Hello, hello, Engineer Uche. Now you got my contact, right? I got you there, right? You got me there. So that's my contact. Abdul Rashid. Okay, let me do that for Abdul Rashid as well. Abdul Rashid, are you on Telegram? Super, super. We are connected. We are connected. Let me look for Abdul Rashid. It's Abdul Rashid there. Okay, no, not yet. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, let's see if Abdul Rashid is in here. No, you're not on Telegram yet. Okay, right. Okay, are you in our group yet, Abdul Rashid? Have you joined Forest Simple Breakout Strategy? Because if you haven't joined, I don't think I will see you there. Rashid. Okay. Members. Okay. Okay, you can find me. If I can't find you, you can find me. So my name is Dare. So that's my name on Telegram. You can find me and just say hi and I will respond to you. Okay, you can say I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. You can just ping me. All right, or you can ping. The other name for you is this Demi. That Demi. 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 So that's Demi. Okay. I need to delete that because I don't intend to send that to everybody. Okay, so yeah, you've sent a message to him. Okay, great. Thank you so much. You've been wonderful tonight, everybody. You've been great. I think it's been wonderful. Thank you so much. Looks like I can answer you any question you may have. Anybody? All right. Oluwa Shone Michael, how are you, sir? Are you just joining, or you've been here? You're just in the background, right? You're in the background. You are checking us out in the background. All right. Great. Let me see. All right. Excellent. Okay. All right, let's do that. Okay, so let's search for all right, this is Abdul Rashid. Oh, good. Let's see. I found you now. Let's say hi to you then. Hello. Hi. Hello. There, you got me. I got you. So you have my contact now, so you can ping me. All right, ping me anytime you want. I'm here for you. All right. Thank you, guys. It's been a wonderful session tonight. I think I enjoyed it so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have 21 likes. Okay. So let us meet in on the Discord channel if you have registered. If you are yet to register, you can still catch us up on the Telegram. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's read some of your greetings tonight. So Cherima Kashi, Eyalama, Spasiba, Siabunga, Bono Note, Ndewo, Kashifo, Odaro, Ndewo, Guy Louise, Nanile Kale, Chokran, Mamun, Gracia, Yulule Kale, Keya Leboha, Lala Shalama, Enoti Zero, Imeila, Blagodia Lekanosh, Shona Maitasaba. Thank you, guys. Thank you for tonight. It's been wonderful to have you. And next week, we are going to go on a jet speed next week. So if you have somebody else that you want them to attend this thing next week, bring them on, but make sure you bring them on time, because that is when we look after our new member to explain to them how the strategy work. So let's look at this strategy, Japanese yen, and look at the 4 hours. Look at how the strategy work on 4 hours. Look at 1 hour. See how the strategy work on 1 hour, and compare it and see whether it is something that you can relate with. You might relate to the 1 hour more than the 4 hours. So what I'm saying is, make it your own. Make it your own strategy. And next week, come back and report to me during the lesson. I will ask that question, who have done the assignment. Come back and report to me what you find. What are your findings? Did you find 1 hour more interesting, profitable, or you find 4 hours or even 30 minutes? I'm telling you that some people are using 30 minutes. So, it's more like do it yourself kind of, get the basic understanding and try to make it adaptable to your style. All right. So thank you so much, Abdul Rashid. I've seen you on Telegram, and then we can carry on from there. So good night, everybody. We'll talk again next week. Bye.